Alright, welcome back guys, listen to Dan back with another video. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is, hold on a sec guys, a little tutorial on how to do my 90s, because a lot of you guys have been asking me what my 90s look like, and they look something like this. So, if you want to learn how to do my 90s, then stay tuned, watch this video, and I'll give you a little in-depth tutorial on how to do them. Now, my 90s are actually pretty simple once you actually get the technique down. If you guys want to look at my mouse movement and how I do them, you have to shake it around a little bit, and then you'll get them right. You know, it's kind of like if you have a really low sensitivity, then you have to kind of move around a lot. But my sensitivity is pretty high, so to do a 360 turn for me is pretty much that. So it's not a lot of mouse movements, but you know, it's whatever. So what you have to, I'm actually gonna quickly show you guys an example of what how I beat one of my friends in a night in 1v1 on creative with my 90s, and then I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to do it. So yeah, have a fun time watching the tutorial, and yeah. Whew. Oh.
Muy bien, facciamo sta. Holy shit.
Ooh, the way I like to do my 90s is I like to start off with a ramp and a wall over there. Now, after you do that, if you're obviously like on flag or something like that, you will, instead of placing walls going across from up to the middle and then down and having to be somewhere around here, you'll have to move to the right and kind of zigzag your way around up to the top and place the walls in this direction. After, you'll kind of come up to the edge and place these two, and then the same thing will happen again. You'll have this one placed down, so you'll go to this side, zigzag your way up, and then do the same, and then do obviously the next two. After you've done that, you can do that and then re-begin the 90s. It's kind of an easy method, to be honest, but it does take a little bit of time to get them like fully right. As you can see, I still mess them up sometimes, and it's not like I didn't watch any tutorials for this. I kind of came up with a method myself. I kind of looked into the Mongrel 90s, and then I was like, well, I can perfect mine, because I was doing the Sway 90s before, and if you guys watch Sway, you know that he does his 90s like this with no wall at the bottom. And I guess that if you perfect my 90s, they can be a little bit faster than the Sway ones, because you know you kind of have that movement and you can just go like that. Yeah, they can be a little bit faster than the Sway ones. So I do recommend trying out mine. As I said, as I said at the start, begin with the wall here, zigzag your way up, and then keep on going. They're not too hard, but they're not the easiest 90s to do as well. If you guys want a beginning method, just go for the Sway ones. Let me go just a little bit down. Hold on a sec. Somewhere like here. Alright, so the Sway ones, you have to start off with the wall here, wall there, and then just place. Hold on a sec. I can't even do that myself. Just go like that, and then do that. I guess it's really easy. If you guys want to do something like the Mongrel 90s, then you kind of go halfway up your ramp, place walls like that, and then zigzag your way back up. Like, as I said, that's what I do. I kind of zigzag, and that's what I recommend you guys do as well. Like, if the Mongrel ones are a lot harder to do, like I can't even do them properly yet. You have to go down. Yeah, I can't even do that myself. It's kind of weird, and kind of difficult, but that's why I guess my 90s are a lot easier. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like to, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.